Ash said I could use her new GoPro 11. Check this boy out. What's up, GoPro 11? See what you got.
Beginning workout.
Man, what happened to the daylight? GoPro 11, how's that night vision? I guess that part about getting back before dark is a wrap. It's clearly dark. All right, so that will be Home Depot back there. Lit up here, so it probably looks good. All right, 2 miles, about to turn back. Super dark, you probably can't see me. And the fact that I got on all black probably not helping. Probably not helping these cars see me either. Got nothing reflective on tonight. Just out here getting it. Got the right of way. All right, till request is 50,000. Yeah, I like your crowd. What you like about it? All right, all done. Made it back. Late night run with the GoPro 11. It's cool if you're standing in some light. Looks like it anyway. I won't be able to tell until I download the footage.
Workout completed. Distance 4 point.
How was your run?
Good.
Did you record it?
Yeah, I'm very interested. So dark out there. All done.